In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Shaperise spaceship generator. I'll share the link in the description below. Basically, when we visit the Random Vessel website, the website generates a complete spaceship mesh in 3D. We can download the meshes and open them in Blender. This is an amazing tool that we can use, and I have never seen such a good 3D spaceship generator until today. Let's export this mesh and import it in Blender. Click this button at the bottom right corner. Let's import the mesh in Blender. We need to scale and rotate the mesh a bit. We can modify the mesh further, or just apply a new material. Let's add some emission materials to the mesh. I'll use Eevee with Bloom. This region looks like a cockpit window. I'll add more emission to the thruster regions in the back. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.